there is a CSS feature that you can use to override all selectors, even inline styles. So this feature is very powerful, and so you need to be careful when using it, because if you use it without understanding, your CSS may behave in a way you don't expect it to. Now, this feature is important. Actually, the name of the feature is actually called important. So it is an exclamation mark and then the word important. So that is the name of the feature. So to use it, when you have your property and then the value, for example, let's use it on the first selector. We have background color red. Let's say I want to tell CSS that this background color red is important. So no matter what is being used, either if there is a more specific selector or even if there is an inline style, CSS must use this background color. After stating the value, which is red, I will have the text important beside it. By using that, CSS will use this and override all the rules that address that particular element. So let's go ahead and use the important. To use important, you start with an exclamation mark. So I'll give some space. I'll have an exclamation mark and then important. What this does is it tells CSS, hey, this is important. I have specified that this is important. CSS uses this and ignores every other thing. You have to be sure when you are using it and why you are using it, so as not to make your code more complex.